Once again, I say thank you. Thank you for everything that what I have in my life today, in the Thursday life. So thank you and thank you and thank you very much. And this one, my watch, is from the grandmother of Madam. So thank you, Tita. Thank you for giving this one to me. Okay? Si bye-bye na. And bye-bye. I-1 hour ko na lang to. I-check ko muna ulit sa thank you. Thank you. I-check ko yung ground as. Okay. Yun na yung weather now. Afternoon at 6 p.m. here in Baghdad. Look. Look. Tomorrow na naman yan. I fix that one. Everything. Look. It's dark. It's make brown already. Okay. Okay. So, yela. I go watch that na. So, naman yung ano natin. Okay, thank you. Okay. Yela. Sure, everything will be okay na. And I go inside na. So, fix na. I need to fix everything. Para ready na. Ready. It's become ready si Sisi. Finish na si Celine. Si Koromi. Finish na everything. Para okay na lahat at magkapagano na tayo ayos. Okay? Yan na. Kasi bye-bye na. See? Yan yung outside. Okay. Okay. See, bye-bye.